Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'll show you that how you can repair a slipped out thread or a stripped thread. So you can see this was a brake cylinder of mine and the thread was completely gone, so it was a very dangerous situation for me. But then I came to a machine shop and I showed my problem to them and they gave me a very useful solution to it, which is I think the most professional and accurate way to you can say repair or replace thread. So instead of using a helicoil kit, they are using this bushing. You can see it has threads on the outside and the inside as well. So what we'll do is that they are gonna drill a hole in the thread portion, and then we are gonna tighten up a 14 mil thread inside the bushing, and then the pipe will go inside like this. You can see. So this is a very effective and perfect process. And from here on, you can see in the video that how we are gonna do that, and I'm sure that you will completely understand by seeing it. So the video is not that long and the process is very simple and a very cheap process here in Pakistan. I don't know about your country, but you can also do it in a DIY way because it's not that of much of a tough job to do. So you can see now they are just making new threads inside for the bush to go in, and after that we'll place the bush in, and then we'll cut the excessive bush, and we're ready to go after that. It will be 100% working process or 100% like the original one. There is no more problem of a stripped out thread, and I will be just free to just open it and tight it whenever I want. So it is the most effective and a very brilliant way to repair your thread. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and you can thank me in the comments.